Today was a special day. The little turtle was going to visit his old friend, Mr. Hill. Hi, Mr. Hill. I'm here to see you. The little turtle called happily. Boom! A puff of smoke came out of Mr. Hill's top. Wow! So, you are Mr. Volcano. The little turtle was surprised. Sorry, I scared you, Mr. Volcano said, embarrassed. I have a lot of hot magma dancing around in my belly, and sometimes it tickles, so I sneeze. That's so interesting. Can you tell me more about yourself? Of course. You see, I have a giant magma kitchen in my belly. It's super hot in there, much hotter than boiling water. What is magma? Magma is like Earth's hot soup. It has all kinds of minerals and gases. When my belly gets too full, this hot soup rushes up, just like when you shake a soda and it sprays out. Oh, so when you sneeze, you're letting out this hot soup? That's right. But don't worry, I always have a warning before I sneeze. The ground will shake and I'll make a gurgling sound, just like when you are hungry. At that moment, a group of birds flew over and landed on Mr. Volcano's slope. The birds really like to hang out here. The little turtle was curious. That's because my body is so warm. And look at these green plants. They grow because of the things I sneeze out, which makes the soil very fertile. That's amazing. So, even though volcanic eruptions look scary, they actually help the earth? Yes, just like sneezing helps us get rid of bad stuff. Volcanic eruptions help the earth get rid of excess heat, Mr. Volcano explained. Suddenly, gurgling, gurgling, Mr. Volcano's belly started making noises again. Achoo! Another big sneeze. This time, instead of scary magma, a beautiful rainbow-colored steam came out. Wow, that's pretty! That is my best trick. When water vapor meets sunlight, it turns into a rainbow color. That's why everyone says I'm the best volcano magician. From that day on, the little turtle scientists often visited Mr. Volcano. Sometimes he watched him sneeze. Sometimes he listened to him tell stories about the earth. And sometimes he just quietly sat there and admired the beautiful rainbow he made.